If you're looking for an RC car that delivers incredible speed, outstanding durability, and endless fun, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced hobbyist, today's RC cars offer brushless motors, advanced suspension systems, and powerful 4WD performance that can tackle almost any terrain. In this video, we've picked the top 5 best RC cars of 2026 based on speed, build quality, handling, durability, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. ARRMA Big Rock 4x4 223S BLX Brushless Street Truck. The ARRMA Big Rock 4x4 223S BLX is one of the most exciting RC trucks you can buy in 2026. Built with ARRMA's legendary durability, this ready-to-run truck features a powerful brushless motor and a rugged 4WD drivetrain that delivers excellent acceleration, stability, and control on both pavement and rough terrain. One of its biggest highlights is the Dynamic Stability System, DSC, which helps keep the truck stable at high speeds, making it easier to drive even for newer hobbyists. Its heavy-duty suspension, oil-filled shocks, and tough chassis allow it to handle jumps, dirt, gravel, and grass with confidence. Keep in mind that the battery and charger are sold separately, allowing you to choose the power setup that best fits your driving style. Pros: powerful brushless motor, durable 4WD drivetrain, dynamic stability system for improved handling, excellent suspension system, built for both on-road and off-road driving, high-quality ARRMA construction. Overall, if you want the best combination of speed, durability, and performance, the ARRMA Big Rock is our top recommendation. Number 2. ARRMA Typhon 4x4 223S BLX Brushless Buggy. The ARRMA Typhon 223S BLX, a high-performance 1/8 scale brushless buggy designed for serious speed and precision. Its low-profile design provides excellent stability, while the powerful brushless motor delivers impressive acceleration on dirt tracks, gravel, and pavement. Like the Big Rock, it also includes dynamic stability system, helping maintain control during aggressive cornering and high-speed driving. The race-inspired suspension gives it exceptional handling over rough terrain. Pros: fast and powerful brushless system, stable buggy design, excellent cornering performance, durable 4WD drivetrain, dynamic stability system included, high-quality suspension. If you enjoy racing and precise handling, the ARRMA Typhon is an outstanding choice. Number 3. ARRMA Mini Kraton 3S DSC 4x4 Brushless Speed Truck. The ARRMA Mini Kraton 3S proves that great things come in small packages. Although it's only a 1/16 scale truck, it delivers incredible speed and performance thanks to its powerful brushless motor and 4WD drivetrain. Its compact size makes it easy to transport while still providing excellent off-road capability. The newly added dynamic stability system improves control at higher speeds, making it both fun and beginner-friendly. Its strong suspension and durable construction allow it to survive jumps and rough driving surprisingly well. Pros: compact and portable, powerful brushless performance, durable 4WD drivetrain, dynamic stability system included, great off-road capability. Overall, it's one of the best compact RC trucks available today. Number 4. Hosim Mini 1/8 Vortan Brushless RC Truck. If you're looking for serious speed at a more affordable price, the Hosim 1/8 RC truck is a fantastic option. Powered by a brushless motor, it can reach speeds of over 50 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest RC trucks in its class. Unlike many competitors, this model includes a 3S battery, allowing you to start driving right out of the box. Its waterproof electronics and durable 4WD system make it perfect for driving on snow, sand, dirt, grass, and rocky trails. Pros: over 50 miles per hour top speed, includes a 3S battery, waterproof electronics, Durable 4WD drivetrain, great value for money, excellent off-road performance. For buyers who want impressive speed without spending a fortune, the Hosim Vortan offers excellent value. Number 5. ARRMA VORTEKS 223S DSC 2WD Brushless Stadium Truck. The ARRMA VORTEKS delivers a stylish stadium truck designed for fast acceleration and exciting handling. Its powerful brushless power system delivers plenty of speed, while the lightweight 2WD platform provides responsive steering and quick directional changes. The included dynamic stability system helps maintain control during fast driving, making it a fun option for both beginners and experienced RC enthusiasts. Pros: powerful brushless motor, responsive 2WD handling, dynamic stability system included, lightweight design, durable ARRMA quality, easy to maintain. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best RC cars of 2026. If you're looking for the best overall performer, the ARRMA Big Rock 4x4 takes the top spot with its outstanding power, durability, and versatility. For racing enthusiasts, the ARRMA Typhon offers exceptional speed and handling, while the Hosim Vortan stands out as an excellent value-packed alternative. No matter which model you choose, each RC car on today's list delivers exciting performance and plenty of fun for hobbyists of all skill levels. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.